Yo, Selena in this bit, about to get lit. What's up? What's up? Hey, cousins. Welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a makeup tutorial, as always. Y'all already know I do my eyebrows off camera because why? Eyebrows are like third cousins. They're like this, not like this. They know of each other, but they don't really fuck with each other like that. But let's get into it. I'm gonna use the matte Wet n Wild primer. Take a look. I need to get some more actually. This little shit sometimes be making me look a little dry, and I don't really be appreciating that. And I wash my face, of course. Fit Me loose setting powder from Maybelline in the color 40 because I'm dark. And I'm gonna get sponge and just set. Let me put this because it be wasting. I used to do it all over my face, but then sometimes I be looking. One time I looked at so orange, I'm like, who is that? I don't know who that is. So, and like I said, I do what I want to do because, you know, I'm not the typical beauty guru. I just do what I want to do. You feel me? So I'll set that down like that. And whatever order you want to go in, if you want to do your eyebrows, or if you want to do your eyebrows lab, whatever the case you want to do, that's your bit. That's on you. That's your face. Okay? That's your face. Alright. Where we gonna start off doing the eyes. Of course, I always do my eyes first. I don't know about everybody else. But I'm gonna use the matte book from the Crayon Case. Shout out to Super, say hey friend. Let's get into it. I don't know, y'all, I don't even know what colors I want to use, what I want to do. We finna just wing this shit, okay? We finna wing this. We finna wing it. We finna wing this because I don't know what we finna do. Or whatever the case may be, we finna wing it ho. Hey, whoop that trick. Don't fight her. Okay. I ain't even no pink type bit, but pink look good on me. So come on, y'all always doing that. I be feeling like they be knowing when I be trying to record. Like y'all be trying to stop me from doing what I need to do. I like take this. This is just a Wet n Wild brush. Purple blurple. And then now I'm gonna take my Motor brush. No, I'm not. I'm lying through my teeth. I'm gonna take this Motor brush. It's still a Motor brush, but it ain't the Motor brush I was talking about. But yeah. Yeah. Then I'm gonna get my swipe from Ella Girl Pro, because if you already know, y'all gotta be careful with her, because she really be doing the most sometimes, so you gotta be careful for real. Dip into the box of crayons and use this magenta Get my little brush, spritz it with the NYX Professional Bear With Me face mist. Where is my black? Okay, use this beauty supply. Stop up with it. I winged the fuck out of this. I don't know what I was doing. I just came up, I don't know. I was just floating and going. I don't know. Let me. Girl. I mean, no, I keep saying, I don't know. I don't know. Bear With Me prime setting powder. I mean, prime setter spray mist. You know. Like I said, I ain't perfect. I'm just here for entertainment purposes. Alright. Okay. And then I'm gonna let this sit just for a little bit. I'm gonna get the MacBook palette and use this darker shade right here for my contour. You already know I ain't been to the store yet to get nothing to do my little shit to really do what I need to do. So I'm just gonna like I was doing them drugs. I was doing them drugs, look. Take this. I'm gonna use First Class out of this Black Radiance 3D highlighter palette. If you guys have any makeup requests, like you want me to recreate something or certain colors, let me know down below in the comments. I'm open to suggestions, please. Cause I be feeling like I be doing the same old thing, but I'm just here for entertainment purposes, period. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, still in. Out of it. Stay lit. See y'all later, cuz.